In this video, I'm going to show how to uncrop square image into landscape without cropping out any part with AI. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Now, open your search engine. Here, type in https double dot slash clickdrop.co slash uncrop. Now click on search. Wait for it to process. Now we are in. Now click on this blue box figure on the top. Click on it. Now select the square image you want to turn into landscape. Now click on done. Select the ratio you want to put it into, or click on this custom. Now click on landscape. Now click on next. Now the AI is processing it. Here, this verification icon will come out. Click on verify. Click on it to verify yourself. For this AI to work, now I'm verified. Wait for the AI to complete the process. Remember, this quad will come out. If you don't want to purchase the pro version, you will wait for the quad to complete. But if you want to purchase the pro version, you click on this skip quad. As you can see, the AI have completed the process. See the landscape of the square image. Now you can download it by clicking on this downloading icon on the top side and click on download. That's how to do it. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tools and tech related guide. If you have any issue using this AI tool, don't forget to leave it on the comment section. I will attend to it. Also, the link to use this AI tool is in the description section below. And then see you on the next video. Thanks.